good. I like trains. I like trains. I like trains, they're really ace. I like the noise and I like the space. I like the clatter as they go across points. I like the bouncing on my joints. I like trains. I like trains. I like trains. Steam, electric, diesel too. I like it best when the trains are blue. But really any colour will do. So I like trains, I really do. I like trains. I like trains. I like trains. Driving the tracks, clickety-clack. But I never sit facing back. I'm not a train spotter, I'm not a fanatic. I just like trains, I'm a little bit tragic. I like trains. I like trains. I like trains. There's just one thing can kill the buzz. When you hear there's a bus with train replacement bus. Stuck inside like cattle in a truck. Makes me wanna run amok. I like trains. I like trains. I like trains. I like trains, they're really ace. I like the noise and I like the space. Like the clatter as they go across points. Like the bouncing on my joints. I like trains. You know what? I like trains. I like trains. I like trains. I don't really have any more though, sorry.